In this quick video, I'll show you how to hide apps from app library on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So hiding apps in iPhone is really easy. For that, first of all, open settings app in your iPhone. Once you open it, now go to screen time settings. Once you are here, click on content and privacy restrictions. So there are two ways to hide apps in iPhone. If you want to hide Apple apps, then go to allowed apps and from here disable the application which you want to hide from your iPhone. Suppose I want to hide this app which is FaceTime, but before that you can see FaceTime application is here on my iPhone. I want to disable it, so for that just tap on this icon and disable it, and here you can see the application is now hidden from my iPhone and you won't see in my app library as well. But suppose you want to hide third party apps such as Instagram, Facebook or something like that, then for that firstly go back from here. Once you go back, now click on content restrictions and here go to apps, and here you will see bunch of options. So currently there is no option to directly hide apps from list like we do for Apple apps. So what we can do is simply select the age from here which apps you want to hide. Suppose I want to only get 4 year plus apps, so for that simply select 4 plus here, and then only the 4 years plus applications will be available on your iPhone, which also means that 17 years plus apps will not be available on your iPhone screen. If I go back from here, you can see there is no Instagram, Facebook or etc applications are here. If I search on my app library Instagram, then you can see Instagram is not here because I have enabled 4 year plus mode on my iPhone and all of these apps are now hidden. If I want to enable it, then simply tap on allow all and then all of those applications will be enabled or unhidden. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.